Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write leave application format for school and college students. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. To the principal. In the next line, write the name of your school or college followed by the address of your school or college. In the next line, subject. Here I am writing request for leave. You can also mention the number of days for which you are requesting leave here. Next, respected sir or madam. I am, here write your name, a student of, write your class if you are studying in a school, or year if you are studying in a college. You can also mention your course name in case you are studying in a college, followed by your roll number. I am writing to formally request leave from here mention the start date of your leave to end date of your leave. Due to, after this, mention the reason for which you are taking your leave, such as maybe due to illness, family function, personal reason, or any other urgent work, etc. In the next paragraph, I assure you that I will complete all missed lessons, assignments, and coursework upon my return. Kindly grant me leave for the mentioned period. Thank you for your kind consideration. Yours sincerely, write your name. After that, your class, in case you are in school, and year, in case you are in college. After that, name of your course if applicable, then roll number, and finally the date on which you are submitting the application.